Abuga, what's up? I'm just we're backstage right now at the concert over in California, LA. And I'm just here running to my old friend, my old buddy. And we're just kind of vibing right now, having a good time, good crowd, having a good time. And I'm really honored that you're here, came through to support, man. I really appreciate that all the time. The most important thing also is making songs that could last through our generation. I've always been of the belief that when you create music, it's not just about for today. Yeah, you have to create something that can surpass the time.
How do you know that?
I mean, you don't really know, but then at least what you do, you write songs that touches people's heart. Because you can do club songs, right? You can do a song where it's like just for the moment, but then you can also write songs that live with people. That when sometimes you hear it, it takes you back to a moment in time. That happens in every music. Like sometimes I listen to the radio, I hear songs, and it take you right back to like when you were a kid. You can remember it. You can remember the smells just from music. You remember what you were doing at that moment. So you just write songs that connect with people. I don't plan it that way. I think it's just something that the music is pretty much just comes out of myself. Just comes out. I don't really sit there too much and really make a plan. So it's really hard to answer that question because it's not something that's like there's a recipe.
When lyrics like I love para. Can I get a little bit of that?
You can feel it in the morning time, or even in the evening time.
Come on.
That's it. My voice is good. My voice is gone a little. I like the tempo. I really like the tempo. This train is how I like it so.
So I saw.
That's not something you can plan. I can't explain that. I really can't explain that.
Because you got the qualities. You could have been even in the last 5 years, with America.
I did a lot of concerts in Japan doing American like hip hop. But I just kind of I was hanging out with I started coming around with the community a lot, and I just donate or whatever. I do a lot of stuff in the community, in Belize, in my village. School supplies and stuff like that. So that's what I did. But I'm also doing a lot of stuff through my foundation, the AZIATIC Foundation. And you can find that on Facebook, the AZIATIC Foundation. Like the page and also keep up with what's